Module 2, Chapter 9, Digital Assets. Money has gone digital, from UPI balances to e-wallets and even crypto. Digital assets are a growing part of modern net worth. But do you know how to include them properly? Digital assets are funds or investments stored electronically. They include UPI bank wallets, instant money for spending or saving, e-wallets, prepaid balances like Paytm, PhonePe, Google Pay, cryptocurrency, digital investments with potential growth but high volatility. Ananya keeps 10,000 in her UPI wallet, 20,000 in Paytm, and 50,000 in Bitcoin. While her cash wallets are instantly usable, crypto may grow or fall in value. All of it counts towards her net worth, but differently. Remember, digital assets are modern, often liquid, and must be tracked. Wallets is equals to short-term liquidity. Crypto is equals to potential growth, but volatile. Don't forget to log all balances. Ignored digital assets reduce accuracy. Treat crypto separately with realistic expectations. Folo tracks all your digital assets including wallets and crypto, showing current value and total contribution to net worth. Finally, we'll explore which assets grow your net worth fastest and how to prioritize them.